Hey folks, welcome to my learning center. This is your host Mansoor Suhail, and the topic for this article is how can your business grow by having good leaders? On leadership, this is the most comprehensive resource. It is not uncommon to hear the word leadership used in the media. Now, it is also available in the article market. It's possible that getting some basic training may help you get off to a good start in your job. The development of highly effective leadership programs is becoming more common these days. The abilities you will gain from participating in a leadership programs are invaluable. You will gain the confidence and skills necessary to succeed in both your professional and personal life when you enroll in a leadership program. For management training, look no further than leadership programs. Self-confidence and self-respect can be quite beneficial in your personal life as well as in your professional career. Programs such as this are unquestionably a great method to ensure your success in the workplace and in life. Choosing a topic for a leadership essay was a top consideration when deciding what to write about it, for the simple reason that they are fascinating and essential to our lives. We have compiled some new and intriguing material about leadership for your pursuit. As a result, you have always up to date on the most recent advances in leadership. For the past many years, I have been teaching leadership courses, and I can attest to the fact that a leadership program can readily transform a person. As long as you walk into a leadership program with a positive attitude and the belief that you want to succeed, you will be transformed. A few people have argued that leadership programs are unnecessary. The way leadership programs are taught has a lot to do with their success. When it comes to leadership programs, there are a variety of ways in which you might profit from them. All age groups, from the youngest to the oldest, benefit greatly from programs that focus on leadership development. It's possible to select from a wide range of leadership training programs, but most of them have a few core features in common. Due to the fact that our writing on leadership may be used for informational purposes by readers, the material we provide must be accurate. This has, in fact, been our policy for some time now. One of the most important aspects of all leadership programs is the development of teamwork skills. This cultivation of team working talents may even be a central part of some leadership training programs. Let me give you an example. I have heard of leadership programs that require participants to perform physical chores such as lifting one another over a wall. Naturally, the goal here isn't to build muscle mass so much as it is to develop teamwork skills. This section of the leadership programs will teach you how to look for the strengths and weaknesses of each individual member of your team. Leadership programs will educate you how to shed your egotism and put your entire self into the group's task instead of your own. When it comes to leadership training, this is the most crucial lesson to learn. We don't want to imply that leadership has to govern the globe or anything of that nature. We are only trying to educate you on what leadership really means. The development of a person's sense of self-worth and self-confidence is an important part of any leadership program. As a leader, you must be self-confident first and foremost. The most crucial lesson you will learn in leadership school is how to convince others that what you have to say is significant. Not because they are more capable or smarter than other individuals, but because they are the leaders. It is possible that the exact reverse will occur. The leaders have become leaders because they have a great sense of self-importance than the rest of the populace. We hope that this page has addressed more than just a small portion of the knowledge about leadership that is available to the public. It is impossible to address all aspects of leadership in one essay. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel.